Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Every day is a special day. Hi everyone! Welcome to Kanji time! Today, let's review N4 kanji. 参りましょう。Oh, if you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. This kanji means separate, branch off. Another, extra. On reading for this kanji is 別, as in 特別, meaning special. And the kun reading for this kanji is わか, as in 分かれる, meaning to separate. This kanji means power, strong, strain, exert. The on reading for this kanji is 力, 力, as in 体力, meaning physical strength. I'm gonna climb Mount Fuji. 体力がいるな. And the kun reading for this kanji is 力, 力, as in 力, meaning power. This kanji means exertion, diligence, industrious. The on reading is 勉, as in 勉強, meaning study or learn. 勉強をしよう。勉強。And the kun reading is つと, as in お勤め品, meaning article offered at the bargain price. いらっしゃいませ皆さん。お弁当がお勤め品になっております。ぜひご覧ください。This kanji means move, motion, change, shift, shake. The on reading is 動, as in 自動車, meaning car or automobile. And the kun reading is 動, as in 動く, meaning to move. This kanji means word or counter for words. 渋谷区、新宿区、足立区、墨田区。区。The on reading is 区 as in 区役所 meaning word office. Or 学区 meaning school district. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 体力。自動車。お勤め品。学区。特別。Now say the meaning of the following words. 勉強。study, learning. 力。power, 動く。to move, 分かれる。to separate, break up, 区役所。word office. That's all for today. Good luck for kanji studying. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. またね! See you soon! また見てね! Bye bye!